What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So if you brought the Nothing Phone 1 for the first time, the first thing that you would want to do, you want to just insert your SIM card right on to your device. Now, just changing, or let's say just inserting a SIM card and put it back on your device is not complicated things. And if you want to do it, first thing that you got to do, just go ahead and grab your SIM cards and the beautiful looking transparent SIM ejector. So here I got all my for myself. So all I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on this phone right here, and then I'll just take out the SIM tray. So let me just go ahead and take this out. Here, as you guys can see, we have the SIM tray on my hand here, and you can use up to 2 SIM cards at the same time with your Nothing Phone 1. So here, first I'm just going to go ahead and just get my SIM card right here, and I'll insert it back to back. Alright, so once you just placed both SIM card at the same time for both sides, now just go ahead and put it on your phone. Once you insert your SIM card to your Nothing Phone 1 here, just go ahead and take a look at the top. So it shows us the 2 network section. That means we have inserted the 2 SIM card on our Nothing Phone 1. Alright guys, so this is how you guys can insert a SIM card to your brand new Nothing Phone 1. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you later.